Let me get my bullet. Oh, 270 didn't let me down. Well, hey guys, you're back again with Chasing Guns Outdoors. I just shot a pretty good one in the back of the patch. Sorry I didn't get him on camera, but he kind of popped out on me pretty quick. But anyway, I'm going to put the GoPro on my head. Let's go see what we got. Let's go get it.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Get you some. Man, yeah. That is what I'm talking about.
Chasing Guns Outdoors. There he is. Eat your heart out. He's a good one. Hey, it's been a good time in South Alabama. Showed up kind of late today. Got in the shooting house. Probably saw 7 deer out here hunting. They kept looking back for some reason. And I never did see anything come in behind me, but they kept looking that way. I don't know if they were smelling me or what. But anyway, the later it got, everything started looking toward the back of the patch. And he finally stepped out. There was a four point that came in before he did, and then this one came in. But he's pretty. He's sure pretty. There you go. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Well, hey, Chasing Guns Outdoors signing off. May God bless you to the fullest extent. Get out in the woods and have a little fun. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be blessed.